welcome to miniGen. So today we're going to learn how you can easily control our very own microcontroller, the miniGen. So as you can see, we already have the training kit that we will be using for today's session. So we've already prepared the controller, the SSR, the analog input, and the extend I/O. So how you can control these things, it's very easy. You can do it without coding, and it's all by using our very own software, the miniGen IDE. So let's get right into it. Alright, so this is what you will actually see when you run our software. So let's go ahead and make the connection. So when you press this button, it's going to directly reflect the number of slaves that we have in our training kit onto the software. So as you can see, what we have in our training kit is now shown in the software itself. So this is where the magic actually happens. Let's go ahead and make a simple program where we can turn the stirrer on and off. So here we have the on and off button. And now we're going to use the SSR to control the stirrer. Now the stirrer is already wired to SSR port 1, slave 1. So we're not going to do anything about the setting. We're just going to make the connection since it's already the default. And now we're going to upload the code. So when you upload the code, you can see that the controller turns red, showing that the code is being uploaded. And once it's done, it turns green. So as you can see, just by clicking this button, you can easily control the stirrer. Okay, now that that is done, let's build on what we already have. And now we're going to actually play with the sensor. And how are we going to do that? Let's use the extend I/O. And we have a constant of 1. And our extend I/O, we will change it to port 7 because the sensor is connected to port 7 of our extend I/O. And we're also going to play around with the logic. So the logic is that, as what will be demonstrated later, when the sensor is lifted up, it should stop the stirrer from moving to 0. So since the stirrer is connected to SSR port 1 slave 1, we will make the connection like this. Everything, we're just going to make one final check. And we can go ahead and upload the code. Alright, so let's go ahead and test it out. Let's switch on the stirrer. We lift up the sensor. There we go. Works flawlessly. So let's try it one more time. Yep, and just like that, you just created your very own project. Yeah, so it's just that easy. What might have taken you hours now takes about 5 minutes for you to complete. So if you want to know more, be sure to contact us here. And there's more information down in the description below, so be sure to check that out. So before you go, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what? Let's turn your dreams into reality with miniGen.